All right, y'all, out here with a quick run of the Sledge. I put the upgraded center, or upgraded rear differential in here. I didn't put the front in yet. 50 bucks, y'all. 100 bucks to upgrade this thing, and then of course tires is about another 100 plus. So you're looking at over $950 right here, not including the battery. So I think Traxxas may not have put a 2200 in here for the simple fact that it would have tore the gears up. I see some guys tearing the center diff up gear too. I saw a guy, he went through like 2 or 3 of them. And I think he still had his pretty much stock out the box. So I don't know what to say on that, guys. I mean, the truck is a good design. I think in my opinion, it's a little expensive. $799, looking at about $840 with tax. And you definitely need to upgrade tires. That's gonna be one of the #1 things to do, because those are gonna balloon or bust. So right now I got some Creighton tires on here and they're over a year old, but and don't get me wrong, guys, it is a good truck. I just don't think it's $799 good. That's just my opinion, but I got it because I want it. I like the way it looked. I like their designs. I just wish it would have been cheaper. No droop screws, no sway bars. Oh my God, whatever. I'm gonna stop on that though. I know people kind of hear it every time I run it, but kind of beating a dead horse there. And I'm probably gonna need some new tires on here because I think these are, they got a little vibration in them. It might have got wet at some point, but positives for the truck, it does run good. It is smooth, it is quiet. It did handle the 90+ mile/hour power that I put into it without any sway bars on it. I just did droop screws on it and changed the tires out. I did overheat that motor way too much, so that's why I got a 2200, not the 2000 kV, but I figured this ESC runs a 2200 kV on the Rebo, and this is running good like this actually. It's keeping me from having to upgrade to like a Max 6 ESC and going that route, because I really didn't want to put a lot more money into it. Only thing I'll probably get is going to be sway bars for it. So, and then put that front differential gear in there, and then try to figure out what's going on with the spur gear. I haven't eaten mine up yet, but I think some guys are kind of doing flips and landing on the throttle probably and eating that up. I'm not sure. See, look at that. And I think this went 65 miles per hour, or 63 it might have been, with the upgraded motor and still stock gearing in it. I jumped right into my SUV. So definitely we'll have a battle of the truggies once the HPI Vorza truggy comes out. I'll have this, I'll have my Talon, I'll have the Vorza truggy. Most of those are basically the top basher truggies, and get them out and get them running. Now the advantage the Vorza is gonna have, the Vorza truggy, will be that it's gonna be brand new. So that's why I haven't really bashed this yet, and I've been rebuilding my Talon a little bit so that it's in a newer condition. But I definitely need to get a 2000 kV motor for this. Tires are gonna be something different, but. Or I may just, since the Vorza comes with a 2200, I may just get another 2200 and put that in the Talon, but run them all on stock gearing so you guys can see that running. So put down in the comments what y'all want to see. I think it'd be good maybe to put 2200s in all 3 truggies, since this one has one, the Vorza has one, and you put a 22 in that Talon, it's gonna be a done deal, but it's gonna fly. So look at that. It's got plenty of power like this. All right, try to get one good jump in. See, look at that little spark there too. We can probably well, not probably, I know we can backflip it, but. All right, y'all, smooth sailing with this as always. So anyway, I'm gonna run this some more, enjoy it while I'm out here. The only other thing I'm probably gonna do to this is get the sway bar kit for it at some point in time, so I have that, and then put the front modified diff gear in there too. And I'm gonna look at the spur gear, what everyone else is saying online about the spur gear and what they're doing. There's no really way to modify because they don't have a modified spur gear out just yet, but I'm pretty sure they will at some point. But anyway, if you got one so far, put down in the comments what you've done to modify it to it, or any issues you may have had with it that you corrected. But put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.